Hello students, how are you? Now today we have faced the test. So now I am telling the solution. So first question was, these two lines are intersecting and A/B was given 2/3. Then find the value of C. This C you have to find out. So very simple. You suppose this angle A 2x, angle B 3x. So if this angle is 90 degree, this is straight line. So this A plus B also 90 degree, because complete three angle sum is 180. 90 go on, then A plus B also 90. It is 2x plus 3x is equal to 90. 5x is equal to 90. It means x is equal to 90 by 5, 18. So now put here A value is 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 54. So now this complete straight line, so B plus C, here this B plus C is equal to 180, linear pair of angles, and this B I have got 54 plus C. So 180 minus 54, C is equal to 120, C is equal to 126 degree. So answer first is 120, C value is 126 degree is the answer. Clear this? Any problem? Now next is second question. What was the second question, my dear students? In second question, these angle XYZ is given 64 degree and XY is produced to a point P. If ray YQ bisect ZYP, then value of XYQ. He is saying find the value of XYQ. This angle he is asking. So my dear students, simple, what you will say? This YQ bisect this angle. If bisect this angle, it means angle 1, angle 2, both are equal. So these are two angles equal. Then suppose XX. So in this bilinear pair, angles on a straight line, X and then plus 64 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 64, 116. So x is equal to 58. So this value is 58 degree. Now he is asking XYQ. So this XYQ is equal to 64 plus 58, that is 122 degree. So this is 122 degree, the correct answer. Understand? Because we are revised in the syllabus also. So now for MCQ in exam, you can do the questions fastly. Hear this. Now third question, you see. Third question was, you read this third question. What is given? On the straight line, these are angle A and angle B, and one thing is given, B is more than 1/3 of a right angle than A. So let us suppose angle A is equal to X. So therefore angle B is equal to 1/3 of 90 degree more than X. So 1/3 of right angle, this is 30. So this is X plus 30 degree. So now by linear pair axiom, A plus B is equal to 180 degree. So A is X, B is X plus 30 degree is equal to 180. So 2x plus 30 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 30, 150. So x is equal to 150 by 2. that is 75. And what was x? It was a. So this angle x is equal to 75, and this angle is, you can say, 30 more. 75 plus 30, 105 degree. So this angle is 105 degree and B is 70. B is 75 degree. No, A is 75. B is here. A value is, because A is push, x 75. So A is 75 and B value is 105 degree. Then it is correct answer. Yeah, this. So now fourth question. What are the fourth question you see, my students? In this figure, this value and this value x is 105 degree, and one relation is given, n minus x is equal to 3 degree. So now I think you know very much about complete angle. N plus x plus 105 is equal to 360 degree. So n plus x is equal to 360 minus 105, then it is 255 degree. So this is the first equation and this is second equation. Add this equation first and second. So you see n minus x is equal to 3, n plus x is equal to 3. So you add this cancel, 2n is equal to 258. So n is equal to, you divide this, here it is 1 to 9. The value of n is equal to 129. And now put here and here, or here you can put here, no problem. So n 129, 129 minus x is equal to 3, and then shift here, 3 here, and then x that side. So x is equal to 126. So only one result you have learned by complete angle. Here I applied complete angle property, then second equation we have got. Then add these two, cancel. The 129, then 126, then this is the correct answer. Now fifth question was, what was the fifth question? For parallel lines, the sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree, because my dear students, you know very well, sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. You know very well. So its answer is 180 degree is the correct answer. Clear? It is very much easy. Now next question you see. Question number 6. Now question number 6. Fifth clear. It was the result. Now 6. What is question 6 number? He is saying these two lines intersecting by transversal, and these angles they are giving. This is angle 1, angle 2, this angle 3, this 4, and this is 5, and then this is 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then he is giving, if 1 and 2 they are in the ratio 3:2. Clear this? What do you say? Let angle 1 3x, angle 2 2x. Clear this? So now you see this line, by linear pair axiom, angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. So 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 5, 36 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 3x. 3 into 36, 108 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 2 into 36, that is 72 degree. Now what he was asking? He was asking find the value of angle 3 and 4. Angle 3. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 1. angle 3, angle 1, both are equal and angle 1 is equal to 108 degree. This is our vertically opposite angles. Clear this? And same here, angle 4 is equal to angle 2 and angle 2, both are equal to 72. This is also vertically opposite angle. So angle 3, 108, angle 3, 108, angle 4, 72. This is the correct. Clear this? So it was the sixth question. And then seventh question, my dear student, it was from NCERT. This question number 7, it was from NCERT. You know very well, if two lines intersected by transversal and this is 50 degree and this is x, this is y, this is 130 degree, no problem. Here you can see, in this way, by linear pair, x plus 50 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 50, 130 degree. Now same here, if you say this one, angle 1, angle 2 is equal to 130 degree vertically opposite angles. So therefore, what will say angle 1 is? Y is equal to 130. So y value also 130, x value also 130. So x and y both are equal to 130. It is also, this we have done. Now next question also, if two lines are parallel, y ratio z 3:7 given. Same also it was told, if these two lines are parallel and then this here x, y and z, this value x, this value y and this value z, and if it was also from NCERT, so y ratio z is equal to 3:7 given, then what will say, if these two lines are parallel. Clear this? So what we have done, because from in NCERT we have done this question, first you suppose, so let y is equal to 3k, z is equal to 7k. So now by which we have done, you suppose this angle, if I am taking this angle 1, so angle 1 is equal to angle y, they are vertically opposite angle, both are. Now apply this y, this also y. Now in this, sum of angles, interior angle on the same side transversal is equal to 180. So y plus z is equal to 180. Y is 3k. It is 7k. 10k. So k is equal to 18 degree. Clear this? Now same here. Same apply here. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? The reason is co-interior angles. So same here, I applied property x plus y. Clear this? But y, you see y value is 3k. 3 into k is 18, 54. So now x plus y, so x plus 54 is equal to 180 degree. 180 minus 54, 126 degree. If you revise one time, two times, some students they know the answer also by this property. We will solve and this answer will come. Those are intelligent, those are revised maximum times, they know the answer. But this answer, this is question very much easy. It takes less time because I so many times I revised. Now same ninth also. Ninth question is saying, find the angle AGE is asking. So in this it is very much easy. When it is given GED, when this angle is given and he is asking find AGE in this. So when this is 126 degree given, these two lines are parallel. So my dear student, these two lines are parallel. This is transversal. So these angles AGE is equal to GED, both are 126 because these are alternate interior angles. So now its answer also 126. Now 10th question. 10th question also you know very well if you revised. So these are this PQ, this PQRST. Clear this? So 110 degree or 130 degree. So my dear students, we have done also in exercise. So again we are revising. From R draw a line which is parallel to PQ and S. So now we apply, what you apply? Simple co-interior angle property. These two lines are parallel, this angle plus this angle. So angle 110 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Co-interior angles. So this is 70 degree. Same apply here. Clear this? It is angle 3 you can see. So angle 3 plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 130, 50. So simple. Sum of these two, 180. 180 minus 110, 70. This angle 180 degree. Sum is there. 180 minus 30, 50. This is 50 degree. This is 70 degree. Now this angle, it is straight line. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is 70. 2 you have to find out, and this is 50 degree. So angle 2 plus 120 is equal to 180. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 120. So what do you see? Angle 2 name is QRS. So this QRS is equal to 60 degree. So this QRS is 60 degree. So my dear students, we are given the test of exercise 6.1 and 6.2 only so that you can revise the geometry seriously. So we have to revise geometry seriously with examples. So if you revise the concepts, so in future there will be no problem in any test of this MCQ from this chapter 6. Thank you. Have a good day.